Hello, I'm Felicia Liu, and welcome to our Crisis Management series. Today, let's talk about employee strikes in your food processing facility. First, it's essential to understand the concerns of your employees. Open lines of communication can help address issues before they escalate. Listening shows you value their contributions. During a strike, ensure a contingency plan to maintain operations. This plan should prioritize both employee safety and food safety. You need systems to prevent contamination and safeguard your product quality. Think about engaging temporary staff to help maintain production, but ensure they're well trained in your food safety protocols to uphold your standards, like HACCP and SQF. This keeps your operations running and demonstrates your commitment to safety. Remember, your employees are vital to your business's success. Supporting them during challenging times can foster long-term loyalty. If you're facing challenges with your HACCP or SQF certification or need assistance with CFIA and FDA requirements, we're here to help. Let's work together to ensure your business thrives even in difficult situations. Reach out to us at 236-513-2488 at any time for guidance.